over inland. So this one is shot on a Mavic 3 Classic with a polarizer, which helps cut out some of that light and already create some of that depth. But once again, starting with the basic start, kicks in, dropping back your blacks just a little. Once again, helps that depth. As before, talking about your white balance, sometimes you need to adjust that, especially in the dry, yellowy, or in this stage we had a bit of rain, so there's that greenish tinge. Just fine tuning that so you've got the balance right between the color of your rocks and the background. So just by adjusting that a little bit, you can get your colors right to be a representation of what you saw. So there's a quick one. Checking your histogram, making sure that's all good, and that's a quick edit just to make your drone shots